flying the Master CP. With I got the top part all metalled out. I just put all metal gear servos in, put a new motor in. These motors don't last too long. I ran about 15 flights out of it and the motor's done. For a tail motor helicopter, it holds pretty good. Got my dual rate set at elevator on 55% and my ailerons at I think 50% and tail rudder at 80% and the gyro settings at 70% and running with the 208S. Nice radio. Anyway, let's fly it. I've only been able to get about 4.5 minutes of flight, of normal flight, out of these batteries, the 1000 milliamp batteries. I bought some aftermarket ones too, and they just don't seem to last that long. Come out here, son. For the price, this is a great helicopter to learn with. For those of you getting ready to get into collective pitch helicopters, I actually started out with the mini CP because you could wreck that thing and wreck it and wreck it, and I'm still just learning, barely getting to the point where I don't wreck no more. Cross my fingers on that. When I first started trying to fly these, I started out not knowing nothing about dual rates and all that, and flew them 100% dual rates out of the box, and well, you can only imagine how far I got with it. Got about 20 feet and bam, over. This is a pretty good setting for beginners right here. I'm not doing no 3D flying with this yet. With my mini I do, but I wouldn't really call it 3D flying. big difference whenever you fly the 450 to this. You go back, fly the 450, and then you fly this. This one's a little harder to see your orientation, but all in all, it's still the same. Obviously, the bigger it is, the easier it is to see. It's a great little bird, though. You know, you can buy it, bind and fly, I think, for $250. That was the Devo 7. It's a good radio too. This 8S just offers a lot more. It's got the touch screen. Real user friendly. Hover's perfect. I mean, look, no stick movement whatsoever, really. I've wrecked this one, I don't know, 4 times, put it back together. Like I said, I'm still in the learning process myself. I've been flying for about 2 months now. I recommend Flight Simulator. That's Phoenix Flight Simulator, or I forget the name of the other one I'm using. But they're dead on. There it is. Thanks for watching.